Jeg er på vagt til klokken 11, og så har jeg tænkt mig at gå ned i salonen og simpelthen skrive, hvad meningen er med livet.
Det er den vildeste prøve, altså. Det er jo fuldstændig overraskende, at vi finder de her dyr. Det har man ikke gjort før.
As an artist, when you are with scientists, first moment you just feel like a clown.
Yeah.
These flat stones could indicate platforms made by humans.
We will only rule for a short time, and then it's back to the spider. But as far as we know, the spider don't write poems.
We are petty bourgeois anarchists. We don't follow orders. Give me the gun. It's us against them.
Well, okay, it heats up, so what?